finally, now come to the end. Okay, means for this purpose, for this point, means freedom fighting or movement of freedom, who succeeded and what is the status of our independence. Okay, we got the right of governance for the welfare of the Indian people. Okay, that's all right. We got, and by the constitution, by the Parliament of British Parliament. Okay, that's all. We got the who initiated this movement. Those got it is interpreted. What I say, it is interpreted. Who got it? Who has given energy or who has given petrol, diesel, etc. means you can understand what do I mean. Who was succeeded? People has succeeded or Muslim millionaire has succeeded? That is a question of interpretation of the freedom. British has given us the freedom to the people of the country. Now, it is on us how to interpret the freedom of process of freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru is not stupid, but a cunning person. He put your Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi middle and played the wise game of ruling, wise game of the undertaking of the ruling. Wise game. He was a cunning person. You will not believe he is a cunningest. EST put EST so many times. He is cunningest person. Played nice game. Actually, British has given us, means people of this country, the freedom. But he had interpreted and taken all the Hindus in his fist, trapped it and interpreted it. It is a democratic country, secular democratic country, not the people's democratic country. Please mind it well. He replaced the democracy, he replaced the people's democracy to democracy. And the total whatever constitution has framed under the concept of democracy, not the people's democracy, and it is the root of corruption at every direction. We are looking the corruption. That is the point of democracy. Democracy is not bad, but the people who know the democracy, they only deserve to carry the ruling under the democracy. But here the people are something mad chakrams. They are all the chakrams. You will not build all the chakrams, including Gandhi also. He was also chakram. And therefore we are now facing troubles. We are wasting consolidated funds, Indian consolidated funds. We are wasting that. Why it is? Because chakrams are in ruling. Chakrams are ruling, right? Now you think about which concept won. Means first thing means who won the independence, who won in the race of freedom. At the first place, there is people of the innocent people of this country who had spared or who had given their physical cooperation to the movement. Okay, they have secured by the money. Yes, okay, I understand. But at the same time, this is first, people of this country. Now, at the second place, who had provided the fund to the movement, they also claim their credit in the movement of or the freedom of this country. And their claim is also acceptable. But we have to accept it because they have invested money. Who had invested money, they also have the right to claim of the independence of this country. Among this confrontation of the concept, the people of the country and the power maker who invested or who released their own fund for the country, for the freedom of the movement of the country, who have succeeded? Actually, if we see the structure of our, constitution, Jawaharlal Nehru, a fine, bloody person who succeeded to intermediate or intervene in this matter and encourage the style of not the people of the country, not in favor of the people of the country, but he favored to the power maker who spared money to the movement, and for them, the whatever you call the democracy, not people's democracy, but the democracy under the Constitution of India had taken all the charges. Please mind it well. Again I tell you, you all, who has invested? Power maker. Who are they? They were all the Muslims. See, aside Birla, nobody has money. But you see, from the Mughal era, who was in the millionaire place? They were the Muslims. And Jawaharlal Nehru is actually, he is Kashmiri Muslim, and he cunningly played a nice super duper game against the people of the country. You people now suffering, and you can't do anything because you don't know how he captured you, how he trapped you, and how he buried you. You don't have any idea. And therefore now I tell you, please awaken. Please awaken and do something for this country, please. Please. Now you came to understand what do I mean. I'll little explain the matter. And day by day, means I will take session after session and you will come to understand how you people are and how you people are trapped. So now I am ending this session here. Next session will start. So please, bye. Okay.